Welcome to this video. How have you been dealing with your prostate issues? Are you visiting your doctors all the time? Are you taking heavy meds? Are you worried about your prostate size? Is it becoming something of an issue? This video discusses a solution that has been helping many men deal with prostate and bladder problems. It's called Prostavive. Prostavive is a dietary supplement that promotes and improves prostate health. Many men are realizing its benefits and taking it, leading to improved health. This supplement has proven to work and stands out among other medicines and supplements. For those interested in purchasing Prostavive, the official website can be found in the description box of this video. Prostavive is made with a special blend of natural, organic ingredients designed to improve prostate health, overall health, and assist men with common difficulties like frequent urination and discomfort. What sets Prostavive apart is its fast-acting composition, which provides visible improvements in prostate function, increased urine flow, and reduced pain and discomfort. Prostate issues can also affect sex life, as they make it difficult to achieve erections. Prostavive improves blood flow in and around the prostate, which is essential for proper function. The natural blend aids in metabolizing stromal cells around the prostate, promoting healthy blood flow. The result is stronger, more youthful urine flow without discomfort. Taking just 1 glass of this natural solution daily supports prostate health, blood circulation, and provides additional benefits such as increased vitality, better sexual performance, and improved sleep. Poor sleep due to frequent urination can be alleviated with this supplement. It also helps manage blood sugar, boosts the immune system, increases energy, and enhances cognitive abilities, memory recall, and general vigor. The recommended treatment period is 3 to 6 months, with a money-back guarantee for those who do not achieve the expected results. To learn more or purchase Prostavive, visit the official website. Thank you for watching.